Hey guys, welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today I got a very special video. I want to share with you guys my trades of today and walk you through my process of thinking and how I took my trades and how I make money day trading instead of investing. Day trading is very different from investing, so be very careful. This is not buying advice. This is not selling advice. This again is trading. Trading is a business, and when you trade, you're gonna have losses, you're gonna have wins. Ever since I learned about the business side of trading, I just had to get into it. I dove into it. I learned a lot about it. I've been trading now for a while, and I would say every day I'm getting a little bit better. I've had great days, I've had bad days, and today was just a very nice, calm day that I want to walk with you guys. My thought process, my entry, my exits. Again, this is not investing. My usual Capital Gains 500 videos of this stock analysis going to this price tag. This is trading. And trading, once again, is very different. If you are very interested in learning about trading, I suggest you start with reading a book. Like, don't watch YouTube videos. Everybody's trying to sell you something. Read a book. I have book recommendations in the description of ones that I've been reading. Day trading for a living is a must read if you want to get into this business to start understanding the basics. And enough talk. Let's get into the plays. Today, I traded Goldman Sachs. Today I did how many trades did I do? I did 1, 2, 3, 4 with Home Depot, 5, 6, 7. I did 7 trades, and I made today $76. I made $76 out of 7 trades, and again, the reason for that is because I had a bad day the other week on Friday. And I just wanted to scale down on my positions. I was feeling nervous because of my biggest day loss, my biggest P&L loss last week, and I didn't want to come off with bad vibes. I wanted to, start off the day great. So I did small positions. Usually, I like to do 3 contracts on average. Price tag, I'm usually looking to trade around $300 to $500 in equity when I buy stuff, but I got emotional the other day, and in my trading, which is the tough part about trading, is that it gets very emotional. It's a very psychological game, a high psychological game. You got to just be aware of your surroundings. You got to be aware of what you're thinking, why you did a trade, what the heck's going on, what are you doing, and then drawing lines doesn't always help, like, okay, this level. But anyway, I'm sorry. What I wanted to say with that is like, whoa, what the heck, it looks so confusing. Well, those were my lines of the day throughout my trades, which once again I'm going to take you through right now. My first trade was with Goldman Sachs in the morning at market open. I'm in the Pacific, so for me it's 6:38 in the morning. Eastern time is 9:38, 3-hour difference. So because my time zone, I have to go to here 6:38, I believe. Let's go again. 6:38 is right here, and I got a call 6:38. Okay, so I believe I got the call when Goldman Sachs was moving a little bit up. I barely caught it, and I caught the upside. So we started moving up. We dipped a little bit, and again, remember, I was nervous from last week, a bad trading day. So I only did 2 contracts on Goldman Sachs. Each contract cost me $256. So I had on the line already $502. $502, I believe. So I was nervous. And here's the thing about some stocks. Some stocks in their options trading, there's a range on the bid and there's a spread on the bid and the ask. So in order to get filled, you really got to push closer, if not accept the other side of the trade. So in order to get in, I have to be closer to the ask. you will see these spreads in options where, and in Goldman Sachs case today, I believe the spread was between 240, 245, all the way to 250, 255. And I wanted to jump in, so that's why I asked to get filled really quickly, because I just saw the momentum. I did a momentum play. Goldman Sachs has been having some good things going on, and it did a little mini sell-off in the morning, like for 2 minutes. As you can see, each candlestick is 1 minute, and then we were climbing up, and this is where the spread was killing me, because I was chasing, I was asking. So that was mistake number one in this trade. It came out profitable, but again, I was nervous, and these types of spreads where they're $10 difference is not huge volume, not huge trading. Again, you're chasing it. So if I would have asked to get filled that market order right here, I would have probably been able to get in for 240, 245 at market on the high, but then it was just moving up. I believe around here the highest it got was 280, but again, on the ask side, that's not guaranteed for you to get, and I was just too nervous that 3 minutes later, with the range jumping around, I like to do stop limits on my options, but because of the spread, my stop limits would have stopped me out too fast and in a loss, unfortunately, because I go down 5 to 10% on a tight trade like this, and I would have gotten filled most likely. So I got out right here at 41, I believe that's what it said. When I saw a red candle, I freaked out. Sell at the closest to the ask, yet again, like I said, to get filled fast. And I didn't really notice that I only made a $4 profit. I thought I was up $10, $15 on each contract for a $30 gain. But again, I saw that red candle, freaked out. I was nervous, high emotions. That's what it is. Probably best thing I should have done was just go in with one contract. I could have probably pulled a little bit more juice just from one contract, because as you can see, we consolidated, we dipped a little bit, we touched the 9 EMA, and then we jumped, we bounced. I believe the move right here, the high that I did see the contracts were for 280, asking 290. So if I would have taken closer to the ask to exit, I could have made $10 to $20 in a 5-minute move. Selling this for, instead of 260, I could have sold it for 270, 275. Again, the highest I saw was like 290. So depending on where someone was willing to buy it, FOMO, are we going to go to the moon? My support and resistance, this was a great indicator of like we were going to jump down. This is a resistance line. But again, I exited out. First traded in the morning, probably not the best setup because I was chasing right here. The next trade we did was PayPal, and PayPal has been in the news because of crypto, and a lot of fintech stocks are great right now. They're darlings. So I know PayPal's going to go to 200. Personally, why am I not swinging the stock? Well, it's whatever trades you like to take. I'm a little chicken right now overnight. I think volatility, elections, US, Rona, all these things makes it very difficult for me to hold overnight. Right now, I used to, and I did great until, the elections came up and cases started going up. So right now, I don't swing because I'm holding overnight positions. I rather not. I rather intraday. I rather day trade. I rather scalp. I really like doing that. Again, it's what are those terms? If it's new to you, again, read Trading for a Living. But the next play, I think I'm just gonna do how long is this video? You guys want it to be the full length or the quick length? I don't know. I want to see if you guys are interested. So let's do 3 plays out of today, and I'm gonna show you guys my best ones and my bad ones. Again, the next PayPal play is probably a bad one because, again, I was emotional. I had to calm down, but I also had to pull a trigger. I had to face my fear and do it again. When you get beat down, when you lose a lot of money in day trading and you want to quit, that's the moment you really should not quit, because it's like, come on, like, there's more to it than one day's loss. Like, that's part of the game, that's part of the business. Just control your disciplines, keep yourself in check. And I knew I had to keep myself in check, and I knew I had to do these trades, but this one was a little loss of $2. Again, I quickly got in and I quickly got out because chicken hands, whatever you want to call it, emotional. I keep repeating that, but this is even just for me to look back and say, like, dude, like, that's okay. If you just want to go in, go out, that's fine. Get your feet wet. And it actually did help me for the next trades, because I made $8 right here. I made $1. So how did I make $80 in total? Small position sizing through the rest of the day. Well, I'll show you. Right here, I saw a nice wedge consolidating in the 1 minute, and my support and resistance lines told me that it could probably move to the next range of 188, and hopefully if volume picked up and came in and buyers started buying, we could have gone to 189. Again, PayPal is a great stock right now, very active, and you can see that it moved on later in the day around 7. So an hour later, I mean like half an hour later, it did the move I would have appreciated to happen. Unfortunately, it didn't. Again, the spread was pretty wide on PayPal. I will say that's why I had chicken hands. I like trading high volume stocks, AMD, Apple. Right now, NEO is a great one to get in and out, where you can literally, like, the stock moves like a couple cents, and the option moves $1, $2, where you can go in and out. The bid and the ask are the spread is $1, $2, where again you get filled super quick in and out. But PayPal, the spread was again same as Goldman Sachs. Earlier trade $10, a little bit nervous not being able to use my stop loss. I had to be disciplined. I was looking for that volume to come in. It did not. One red candlestick. I believe that's where I exited for $1 profit. Quickly sell, get out. Okay. And then but nothing really happened with PayPal. So that was the thing. I was also prepared to quickly get out because I didn't want to take a loss, in the sense that a reversal was very possible, because this could have also been a big resistance, which it was. As you can see, it kind of touched it and then went down, stayed on the other support, and then it broke the support. This was a really good range of support. It broke down, went down, and then we finally found a good more support at 185.48 in the day, and then that's when we started heading backwards up. But I did not catch this. I was watching it in the minute by minute time frame in the day to trade it, and I was thinking about taking a call position right here, but I did not. After that, I said it looks like the volume's not there. It could have easily traded. I could have got one contract and just wrote it out to see what happened, but I did not. I moved on to the next trade, which I will just do. That's going to be the last one for this video, because it was like one of my best ones for today. It's the one that made 80-20. It made like 80% of my money in 20% of my trades. Like in 2 trades I made most of the money, and this was one of them. I only did one contract. Again, the spread is just so much that I don't want to sometimes when I'm trying to exit a position, I'm chasing the bid, and when you chase the bid, you're really either losing profit or you're losing money, because you're trying to get filled to stop the bleeding on an options contract, which again, the decay on the factors of the Greeks has so much implication of what the heck is going on, and losing money can be really it piles up really fast for that reason, because of the spread. But anyway, let's go to Home Depot. Again, a lot of things, a lot of great things coming out with Home Depot. Also, great stock. I love it. It was very active today. Thank you. That high activity was what was able to make me some money. So we got in at this stock at 704, and we got out at 707. So 704 is right here. I saw it. I saw the bounce. This I was looking at on two time frames, the 1 minute to see an entry, and also the 10 minutes, which is what gave me the confidence to enter. In the 10 minutes, these bars, it really showed that this was a big support. I did not draw it, but on the 1 minute, you can see that we have the 200 EMA right here, which can act as support, which it actually did. You know, it was a nice support range. It went up, it went down. I saw that it was kind of a consolidating, and when it broke down right here, that's where I took the opportunity to put a limit buy order on a call for 235. I got in, I got filled, and voila, 3 minutes later, volume picked up for whatever reason, and it just shot me up all the way to 280 with 50 cents. I did not want to get greedy. I was looking at the 10-minute time frame also, and I saw that we went up a lot. And again, if you do not exit out of these option contracts, they start decaying, and the way to make money on these options, and this was basically a scalp, is like get out, sell it at a profit. Do not risk it. I think I saw this one bar, and then I saw the red bar, and I'm like sell, because it really seemed like this support and resistance line at 280.34 was not gonna hold. I just had the feeling, and again, the spread was pretty high, so I quickly asked, can someone give me 270? And someone did. I got filled, and I made right here $35. Probably could have made 70 buying two contracts, like in the earlier day, you know, two contracts. Funny enough that I did one contract again, especially because when you trade, it depends on what you're feeling. Again, like today, Monday, I just wanted to, you know, have a good day, you know, do small trades. So I did one contract. I've traded Home Depot before, and that bid ask spread is what I used to chase. So I wanted to just be careful with it. I didn't want to. It is also very, very possible that right here at the top, I'm asking to sell both contracts for 270, and I only sell one, and the other one, then I get stuck with it because it did not get filled. The price of Home Depot is moving. The volatility of the option starts moving downwards, and then I'm chasing one. I got filled on one contract, and then I'm trying to sell the other one, and I'm chasing a downwards trend that it changed, and I could probably sell the other one for 250 or something, 260. Not guaranteed to get multiple contracts filled, so I'm okay with that. I was fortunate enough to do this play 2 times, which again, it dropped down on the 10-minute bar. It did seem that it was starting to start again, and I took the opportunity. I sniped up another contract of Home Depot at 225, and this one I got a little bit more confident and a little bit quote-unquote greedy, because as you can see, we started to wedge inwards. So I believe that I like this wedge. I changed into the 5-minute time frame. I'll show you right here, and I was seeing now a wedge. Where did I see that wedge actually? What the heck was I looking at? Was it on the 3-minute? Was it on the 2-minute? Anyway, you see, you start to see things in options like, that's crazy. Yeah, I know. Oh, right here. I was trading this quick. Oh wait, what the heck is going on? What? Okay, 3-minute. What am I looking at? Okay. Okay, I'm confused. I'm so confused. Anyway. Anyway, it looked like a wedge on the 1 minute. Higher time frames, I guess it didn't, right? So I bought in again because I was able to get filled at the lower strike at a lower price, same contract as earlier today, for instead of 235, 225. Hey, you know, I like that. I got in. I asked for a very I lowballed an offer. Someone filled me in, and sure enough, volume picked up, came in. I believe we got to 260, 265, and in the center of a spread. I could have sold, but I saw this consolidation right here, and I was liking it. I was up like $25, $30 yet again, but then I saw this green stick green candlestick I was trying to sell would not get filled, not get filled, and we are on the 1 minute. It went down, so then the options went down really fast, and I'm like, come on, sell quickly, 255. I don't care, get me out of this trade. And I did, and that was a great exit, because as you can see, then Home Depot started trading in this range, this $1 range, before just selling off, breaking the 200 EMA on the 1 minute time frame, testing it again, and nope, rejected, and for the rest of the day sold off until the end of the day. But by here I was not day trading anymore. I believe I finished trading today around 9. So great day. I loved it. I liked it. Profitable $35 right here, profitable $20 right here, so that was 50. And then I think I had one red trade. Yes, so Goldman Sachs, I entered another trade and I lost $20 because I was chasing the spread. I couldn't get filled. I'm like, I was up $10, and I was seeing that the volume was not there, so I wanted to exit for a nice profit of $5, $6, $7. Would not get filled. I chased the downside because I was putting limit order instead of freaking market order. Give me something. If I would have, instead of chasing it, did a market order, I probably could have gotten filled quicker, sooner, and maybe at 175, 170 something, 180 even, and not losing so much. I was in profit, would not get filled. That's the danger of these stocks with a huge bid and ask, and the movement does not go your way. You're chasing. So always be careful, guys. This was very fun even for me to realize what the heck happened. My setups today were much better than Friday, and again, Friday was my really bad day. Maybe should I make a video of it, like everything that I did wrong? I probably will. Like I probably should. On the emotional side, not on the because of this. No. In essence, the stock market is very, very, very random. So trading does have a risk, and investing has a risk. Everything has a risk with securities. So options is a security. The stock is a security. Futures are securities. So be very careful when you're trading, when you're buying, when you're investing in them. This was for entertainment purposes only. Even for me to look back on and like, wow, that's when you were a noob trader. Now you're a pro, making thousands of dollars every day, selling your courses to your subscribers. I'm just kidding, guys. Maybe. I don't know. Hey. LOL. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I had an amazing day. Love day trading. It's so fun. I used to just go to the casino and gamble, but this is much better. Isn't it? Investing, gambling? What are you saying? Nothing. All right. Guys, have a great day. Bye.